Here's a quick video of the Pimp My Batmobile Cockpit Effects circuit board. The circuit board was created by Tenacontrols exclusively for Pimp My Batmobile. In the center of the mock-up board, you can see the circuit board and the 12-volt battery, which attaches the power source to the board, as well as an on-off switch. Emanating from the board are the LEDs that allow for different effects that we've all seen on the Batmobile. To the right here is the effect of the 5-light chaser piece, which sits in the center of the front dashboard. You can see the two patterns of flashing, one from right to left, and then center out to the left and right simultaneously. Below that we have the oscillating detectoscope, and to the left of that we have the flashing bat phone. Further to the left, we see the right and left side roll bar flashers, and they flash just like they did in the '66 television show, as well as the flashing beacon. Now, all these effects have been carefully worked out with Tenacontrols, and everything flashes in its appropriate way, as you can see here in the Batmobile that I created some time ago. Now, included in the circuit board kit comes the circuit board, the battery, the on-off switches, a shrink tube, the appropriate red and green LED lights. What's not included in the circuit board kit but is available from PMB is the CNC-produced 5-light chaser, the custom dashboard, which will accept all the pieces, the CNC-produced detectoscope, the beacon with the red insert, as well as the PMB-produced roll bar. Now, the roll bar with modifications can fit all the appropriate lights. Well, there you have it. I just wanted to give you a feeling as to what could be done. I also recommend that you perform a mock-up wiring before putting the Batmobile together, so you have some idea as to how these things will fit. We also have produced a terrific instruction guide that you can use to help you along the way. And if you have any questions, of course, you can contact us. So good luck with this, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Be patient and hang in there.